In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signer in Pandadoc. This is an essential skill if you're using Pandadoc for digital document management, and it can streamline your workflow significantly. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Pandadoc. If you haven't already logged in, be sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, where all of your documents are listed. It's from here that you can manage everything from creating new documents to editing existing ones. The organization here is quite intuitive, so finding your way around should be straightforward. Next, you need to create a new document or select an existing one to which you want to add a signer. To do this, navigate through your list of documents and choose accordingly. Creating a new document is as easy as clicking the Create Document button, where you'll be guided through the setup process. But since today we're focusing on adding a signer, let's assume you've already got a document ready and waiting. Now, you'll want to locate the option for adding a recipient. This is typically found within your document settings or overview, depending on the interface at the time of your use. Click on Add Recipient, and here, you'll need to fill in the necessary information about the person you want to become a signer. This will usually include their full name and email address. It's crucial to get these details right, as this is how Pandadoc will communicate with them to gather their signature. Once you've double-checked the info for accuracy, proceed to the next step by clicking Next. At this point, Pandadoc might prompt you to assign specific fields for this signer, such as where they need to sign, initial, or date on the document. This ensures that the signer knows exactly where their input is required, making the signing process quick and clear on their end. Take your time to specify these fields accurately to avoid any confusion later. Finally, review all the information once more to ensure everything is set up correctly. When you're satisfied, go ahead and send the document for signing. Your chosen signer will receive an email invitation to review and sign the document. Monitor the signing process from your Pandadoc dashboard, where you can see real-time updates on the document's status. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to add a signer in Pandadoc. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to handle document signings more efficiently, saving time and effort for you and your recipients. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy signing!